Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Bing AI image generator. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is open any browser and then just simply search for Bing AI image generator or Bing AI generator. Now open the first link over here and make sure to log in with your Bing ID or your Microsoft ID. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. Now the moment you will first log in and come to the home page of Bing AI image generator, you will find all the images that were generated by other users of Bing AI image generator. And if you will hover over the images, you will also see the prompts that were used. As you can see right over here. Now firstly, let me mention it that you will be given a set amount of credits. So there is a total of weekly limit, and the weekly limit of credits that you will get is 100. So currently I only have 14, and every time you will generate an image, a credit will be decreased over here. Now over here you'll have few options. The first option is create. Now the meaning of create is the moment you'll write the prompt and click create, it will generate your image. Now what Surprise Me will do is it will generate anything on its own and you don't need to give any command over here. All you have to do is just simply click on Surprise Me and it will create the image automatically. Now if you click on the creations option over here, you will be able to see what type of images you have created so far over here. Now let's try something. So firstly, let's try to create something similar to them. So I'm going to copy this particular image over here. So click on the image. Now all you have to do is simply copy the prompt over here. Now after copying the prompt, just simply go back and paste your prompt right over here. Now click on create. Now just simply wait for the creation, and as you can see right over here, after some time your image generation will be complete. Now you can obviously click on them to see if you like them or not, and as you can see they are pretty high quality as well. And over here you can download them, save them or share them directly over here. So you can click on this arrow to see other images. As you can see right over here. Now this is the one that I like, so I'm going to download it. So click on download option and then just simply save to a location wherever you want and download the image. So that's pretty much it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.